Hello everyone. This is the unit number one of the digital instrumentation, in which we are going to discuss about the digital measurement of electrical quantities. Okay, so first thing in this unit which we are going to discuss is about the resolution. Okay, so what is the resolution? So simply resolution is the smallest change in the measured variable to which an instrument will respond. Okay, so the smallest change in the measured value, the value which you are going to, the value which you are measuring simply. Okay, so the smallest change in the measured value to which instrument will respond. Okay, so this is your resolution. Now, for example, if you have a digital voltmeter, so now as the research has been going on, and now with the latest technology, we have the good digital voltmeters, जिसके अंदर रेजोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. यू कैन से दैट वी कैन रीड आउट इन, एक तो एनालॉग सिंपली आपका होता है. एनालॉग में तो सिंपली यू हैव द नीडल एंड ऑन द नीडल यू कैन मेजर. ओके, बट जितना भी आप, इफ़ यू हैव 1 2 3 4 एंड बिटवीन दैट इज 5 क्वांटिटीज और 10 क्वांटिटीज आर गिविंग, you can measure 1.1 1.2. So this is the resolution, the minimum voltage which you can measure over here. Okay, but analog में प्रॉब्लम ये आती है कि उससे ज़्यादा रेजोल्यूशन का होता नहीं, but in digital you can have. Okay, with the good instruments which are coming nowadays, so you have suppose एंड दे उसमें ह्यूमन एरर एक तरह से रीड करने में एज कम्पेयर टू दैट कम होता है. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू रीड माइन्यूट वैल्यूज़, तो बिकॉज द डिजिट्स आर गिविंग, स्पेसिफिक डिजिट्स आर गिविंग. ओके, सो रेजोल्यूशन में नाउ डेज वी हैव 1 part in million. ओके, 1 part in million. सपोज वॉट, इफ़ यू हैव अ डिजिटल वोल्ट मीटर ऑफ 1 volt, अगर आपके पास 1 volt का डिजिटल वोल्ट मीटर है इतनी रेंज का, सो यू कैन मेजर 1 microvolt on that scale, means 1 part in million. 1 part in million, यहाँ तक रेजोल्यूशन अवेलेबल है. ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपली वॉट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इज द रेजोल्यूशन. ओके, नाउ थ्रू वन मोर थिंग यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इफ़ यू हैव अ डिजिटल डिस्प्ले. ओके, डिजिटल डिस्प्ले आपका जो होता है वो सेगमेंटल डिस्प्ले जो होता है आपका, तो दिस इज जस्ट लाइक यू हैव like this. Segments are there. Okay, in this segment you have, if you are going to measure 1 volt, okay, if you want to measure 1 volt, maximum 1 volt, and you have like this segmental display. Okay, like this. So this digit is simply showing what, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, maximum 1 volt you can measure on that. Okay, and after there is a point between that, and up to 3 decimal places if you are going to measure, then from here each this segmental display can be visible for 0 to 9. Okay, again this can be 0 to 9 and this can be 0 to 9. So what is your resolution here can be, you can measure the voltage from 0.000 to 0.999 and 1 more you can. Okay, तो आप यहाँ पर इतना मेजर कर सकते हैं, but on the analog display this is difficult. Okay, so this is what the resolution is. So on this scale, for 1 volt you can see the voltage 0.1% up to the voltage, total voltage. Okay, if 1 is the total voltage. So the simple formula, if you are going to understand, then it is if n is a number of full digits, yeah, number of full digits are 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, number of full digits are here. Okay, then resolution is what, resolution should be 1 upon 10 to the power n. All right, 1 upon 10 to the power n. Okay, 1 upon 10 to the power n. Okay, but here n is what, number of full digits I have mentioned. So here you can see that here you can display only 0 and 1, but not the full digits. Here you can display from 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9. So here number of full digits means n is equals to what, 3. Okay, so here the resolution should be 1 upon 10 to the power 3, which will become 1 upon 1000, and it will be 0.001, means 0.1% of the total. So the resolution of this digital voltmeter can be 0.1%. So like this you can understand the resolution. Okay. Now next let's discuss about the sensitivity. Okay. Sensitivity is what? The ratio of the change in output. Okay. Ratio of the change in output of the instrument to the change in input or measured variable. Okay. So this is what the sensitivity is. So in case of digital voltmeter, sensitivity you can measure as it is the smallest change in input, okay, which a digital meter is able to detect. What is, okay, in case of digital voltmeter, smallest change in input, smallest change in input which a digital meters is able to detect. Okay, सबसे कम change आप क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें input में. This is in terms in case of digital voltmeter. Okay, hence it is a full scale value of the lowest voltage range. Full scale value of a lowest voltage range multiplied by the meters resolution. ये simply आपका sensitivity होगा. ठीक है, sensitivity क्या होगा? Simply sensitivity is full scale value of the lowest voltage range, okay, into resolution. ये है आपका. तो ये क्या हो गया? FS is simply your lowest full scale of the meter, lowest full scale of the meter. Okay, and the resolution is simply expressed as decibels. Okay, so multiplication of this will give you the sensitivity of the digital voltmeter. Now, after the sensitivity, we are going to discuss about the loading effect of the digital instrument. What is a loading effect of digital instrument? If you can see this circuit, in this circuit you can simply analyze that we are giving the 100-volt DC supply over here. Two resistances are connected over here of 10K, means 10,000 ohms. Okay, R1 and R2 are the resistance, and this is the voltmeter connected over here. Voltmeter which is measuring the voltage across this resistance R2. All right. Now if you simply analyze, then you can see that we are giving 100-volt supply. Okay, and these two resistances are in series and equal resistances are there. So each one of the resistance will have 50 volt across that. Okay, means the voltage across the resistance R2, voltage across R2 will be what? 50 volts. Okay, but what happens? The problem is being created when we have a low sensitivity instrument. This voltmeter, if this instrument have a low sensitivity, okay, so the resistance of this instrument will connect it in parallel with this resistance. Okay, this resistance is also there, and this instrument voltmeter will have its resistance. Okay, after connecting this resistance and the resistance of this voltmeter, though both of these resistances will get in parallel. जब ये दोनों पैरेलल में आ जाएंगे और ये रेजिस्टेंस जो वोल्टमीटर का होगा इसके साथ शंट में होगा. ठीक है, तो अगर ये लो सेंसिटिविटी है इसकी, ठीक है, तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस जो इसका आएगा वो आएगा कम. ठीक है, टोटल इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इसका कम आएगा. जब टोटल इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इसका कम आएगा, उसकी वजह से रीडिंग जो आएगी आपकी इसके अक्रॉस R2 के अक्रॉस, वो 50 नहीं आएगी, वो उससे कम आएगी. ठीक है, लेस देन दैट. जितना हाई सेंसिटिविटी होगी इसकी, तो जितना हाई रेजिस्टेंस होगा इसका, ठीक है, तो वो आपका R2 के पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड होगा. तो उससे क्या होगा? उससे आपकी वैल्यू 50 के करीब आएगी. ठीक है, 50 के करीब आएगी. मीन्स यू विल गेट द मोर एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स इफ द sensitivity of this instrument is higher and higher and higher. Okay, if the sensitivity of this instrument is low, then you will have to face the problem, and then the reading of the voltage across this resistance will be less as compared to the when your voltmeter have the high sensitivity. Okay, we will do one numerical and we will understand how this will happen. So first of all, simply we will write down about what is the loading effect of digital instrumentation. Okay, only low sensitivity can be feasible if we have a we are measuring if we are measuring across we are measuring for a low resistance, okay, but this is a high resistance, so we need a high sensitivity instrument. Okay, so just write down few lines about that, then you will understand easily. So what is this? When selecting a meter for a certain voltage, okay, when selecting a meter for a certain voltage measurement, it is important to consider the sensitivity of a DC voltmeter. Okay, the sensitivity is very important to consider. What happens if you consider low sensitivity meter? This may give a correct reading when measuring voltage in a low resistance. अगर आप low resistance measure कर रहे हैं तब तो ये आपका सही reading देगा, but अगर आपका resistance high है और high resistance के across आपको voltage measure करना है, then the voltmeter when connected across two points, जैसे इसमें बताया आपको, यहाँ दो points में R2 के across आपका voltmeter connected है across these 2 points of R2, so the resistance of this voltmeter will be in shunt, okay, which acts as a shunt for that portion of the circuit. ये इसका जो रेजिस्टेंस होगा वो इस पोर्शन के लिए शंट रेजिस्टेंस के तौर पर काम करेगा. सो रिड्यूसिंग द टोटल इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेजेस, total equivalent resistance, okay, so the total equivalent resistance will get reduced of that portion, so the meter then indicates lower reading. उसका मीटर जो है वो लो रीडिंग शो करेगा एज कंपेयर टू द एग्जिस्टिंग रीडिंग. मीन्स एज आई हैव शो यू दिस इट वाज 50 volts but it will show less than that across 45-43 volts. Okay, so this is called the low reading which the voltmeter is showing. This is simply called as the loading effect of instrument. Okay, and it is caused mainly by low sensitivity instrument. If your the sensitivity of your instrument is higher and higher, then this problem will overcome and you will get the better results in that case. Okay, so let's do one numerical considering the same circuit, then you will understand easily. So this is a numerical in which you can see the figure, the same figure which we have discussed. The R1 and R2 are the two resistances connected and the voltmeter is connected parallel to R2. Okay, we are measuring the voltage across R2. Okay, so the figure shows series circuit of R1 and R2 connected to a 100 volt DC supply. If the voltage across R2 is to be measured by voltmeters having sensitivity of 10,000 ohm per volt, and in second case 20,000 ohms per volt. Okay, so low sensitivity and the high sensitivity instrument is connected. So which voltmeter will read the accurate value of the voltage across R2? Okay, both the meters are used on the 50 volts range. So this is your numerical. So let's see which one is the better. So as I have already told you that voltage across R2 should be what? 50 volts. Okay, since the two resistances are there, so 10,000 volt is there and 10,000 volt on that and 10,000 volt. Okay, so simply the voltage division rule if you are going to apply over here, then you will get 50 volts across R2. Okay, so this is the true value, you can say, across R2, true value. I hope you understand this. This is very easy if you apply the voltage division rule. Okay, voltage division rule, since these two resistances are equal, so this is not difficult to define that the 50 volt should be across this and 50 volt should be across R2. All right, so we are giving 50 volts across that. Okay, so let's take first case, case number 1. Sensitivity of the voltmeter is equals to what? Is 1000 ohm per volt. Okay, so 1000 ohm per volt. Okay, so it has a resistance, so there is 50 volts, so resistance कितना हो जाएगा आपका? It has a resistance of 1000 into 50 because there is 50 volts across that, so this should become 50 किलो ओम. 50 वोल्ट्स की रेंज पर ये कितना हो गया? 50 किलो ओम रेजिस्टेंस हो गया आपका. ठीक है, मीन्स अब आप ये मानिए कि ये रेजिस्टेंस आपका R2 के पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है. ओके, दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द वोल्टमीटर एंड इट इज कनेक्टेड पैरेलल टू R2. फिर अगर ये आपका पैरेलल टू R2 कनेक्टेड है, मीन्स R2 इज हेयर एंड वोल्टमीटर इज हेयर. Okay, we have 10k volts here. Okay, now this should become 50k over here. Okay, so just considering this 50k resistance over here, what will be the equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance जब ये दोनों पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड हैं तो equivalent resistance आप जानते हैं, what should be the equivalent resistance? 10k into 50k अपॉन 10k प्लस 50k. ओके, तो ये इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस आपका कितना आ गया? 8.33 किलो ओम. ये आपका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस आ गया इसके अक्रॉस. तो जब इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस आपको मालूम है तो वोल्टेज क्या हो जाएगा? वोल्टेज क्या हो जाएगा? ठीक है, वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वोल्टेज. वोल्टेज अक्रॉस टोटल कॉम्बिनेशन इज V1. अगर आप निकालेंगे यहाँ से सिंपली R इक्विवेलेंट अपॉन R1 प्लस R इक्विवेलेंट इनटू द टोटल वोल्टेज. ठीक है, R इक्विवेलेंट आपका कितना आया? 8.33. ठीक है, R1 कितना है आपका? R1 इज ऑलरेडी 10k प्लस ये आ गया आपको 8.33k इंटू 100 वोल्ट्स. सो वॉट यू विल गेट? यू विल गेट 45.43 volts. So you can understand that this is the voltage you are getting across that. वोल्टमीटर आपका इतना वोल्टेज इंडिकेट करेगा मैक्सिमम, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं करेगा ड्यू टू द लो सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. नाउ यू आर कंसिडरिंग द सेकंड केस. if you're considering the second case, so in second case we have the sensitivity कितनी है आपकी? है 20,000 ohm per volt. all right, so if you have 20,000 ohm per volt in that case, so total आपका रेजिस्टेंस कितना हो गया उसमें? टोटल रेजिस्टेंस of that instrument should become 20,000 into 50 volts. okay, this should become what? पर वोल्ट है तो 20,000 into 50 कितना आ जाएगा आपका? 1 नॉट किलो मेगा ओम. ओके, अब यहाँ से आप इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस उसका निकालेंगे तो ये रेजिस्टेंस 1 मेगा ओम प्लस आपका 10k रेजिस्टेंस, ये दोनों पैरेलल में हो जाएंगे. 10k रेजिस्टेंस वाज देयर एंड द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ड्यू टू दिस हाई सेंसिटिविटी, so these both of them should become in parallel. So 10k is there and 1 mega ohm is there. okay, just connected them and get the equivalent resistance. 10k into 1 m upon 10k plus 1 m. okay, this will give you what? This will give you 9.9 kilo ohm. okay, so this is your equivalent resistance of 9.9 kilo ohm. Now you can consider the voltage across the total combination. Voltage across the total combination will become what? V2. In the second case we are considering. So 9.9 the total equivalent resistance upon already we have 10k plus 9.9 equivalent resistance into the total voltage is 100 volts. So it will give you 49.74 volts. okay, so this is the difference. So the loading effect, due to the loading effect, how much less we have? On the scale of 50 volt we have 49.74 and on the scale of 50 volts we have here 45.43. okay, so we are getting more accurate results in case when we are having a higher sensitivity. So whatever the deficiency is there, this deficiency is due to the loading effect in the digital instrument. okay, so this is simply called as a loading effect. So I hope this must be clear to you. Or whatever the problem you will face, you can ask me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.